All right, we're here at a residential home in, I think where we're at. We are in, I think Bryn so Lower Merion. So we just doing machine scrub here. Lady had a leak, and a lot of rust and things. We just moved all the stuff, a lot of stuff. So we're doing a machine scrub, degrease, and see right here, doing a deodorize. We have a microban antimicrobial treatment, so it kills germs too, kind of like it is a flood damage product. So we're using this particular roto wash machine. It does a great job scrubbing and picking up, and then we'll vacuum and or mop with clean water and another deodorizer, antimicrobial. If it was very soiled, we would use a heavy rotary with a black powder and nylon grit brush, but we're doing all this and it's gonna get this looking really good. And we also can do a kill sealer, either gray or white, which we can seal 2 coats in, and then we also do like the epoxy. You know, we do garages and all concrete, all hard and soft surfaces, duct cleaning, carpet. Obviously, we're just very specialized in restoring everything, so you don't have to replace it. That's what we do, no matter what it is. So give us a call if you need any concrete work, cleaning done in your basement, your garage, wherever. We do the power washing, obviously, too. But give us a call, 610-405-2147, www.navescleaning.com.